President Köhler was more than a colleague. He was a friend. And the partnership between Kenya and Germany flourished under his guidance, particularly in areas of sustainable development and youth empowerment. Together we worked towards building a world that respected the dignity of every individual and acknowledged the importance of global solidarity. Today, as we say farewell to a dear friend, let us not merely mourn, but celebrate his life and lasting legacy. President Köhler's impact lives on in the countless lives he touched and in the practical steps he took to forge a future where nations worked together to solve global challenges. His trust building between Africa and Europe and his initiatives to foster cooperation will continue to bear fruit for generations to come. On behalf of many across Africa and the world, I offer my heartfelt gratitude to the entire Köhler family for sharing this extraordinary man with the world. His contribution will forever remain part of the foundation upon which we shall continue to build. May the Lord rest his soul in eternal peace.